Hey everyone, I'm not going to show myself because I look like shit, and yeah, this is my sister Nafia. Look at it.
No, I don't have makeup on. Actually, it doesn't make a difference.
Okay, this is the front of Nafia's hair. I'm doing Nafia's hair today. I'm gonna cut it right now, give it a little trim because let's face it, these ends are dead. I'm gonna basically remove the orange tones and just give her a really nice balayage. But I'm gonna show you guys how I do this today. But let's just begin with the trim. Okay, the haircut is done. I've given it like a fringe thing at the front, and then turn around. Just a straight cut for the rest. Didn't take too much length. Yeah, looks much healthier now. As you can see, Nafia's base color has quite a few grays in it, so we want to do gray coverage as well as lift it a bit. We're just making sure the kids stay out of the room because it's dangerous, so they better not come in. They're going downstairs right now with Papa, so we're okay, Nafia. Anyways, as you can see, Nafia is getting old as shit. And baby, what's going on with your dandruff? You need some head and shoulders up in here. I'm gonna leave this bit, and I'm just gonna do the base with the ash color to lift it through. Okay, girlfriend. Yes. I won't be able to hold this, so I'll just show you guys when I've colored it. I'm just gonna get each section and just color it then with the brush. And just do it. I'll show you how much I do it up to. I'm using what is at home basically. We've picked up as much as we could pick up, but this is what I'm currently using. With this is basically a tint brush, a food container. Yes, I told you I'm doing it at home. A 40 vol developer as well. And a Kuhn Tinta color 6.1. This is basically an ash color. What I'm going to do is I'm going to high lift Nafia's the dark bit of the hair. So what high lift means is you don't bleach any of the hair and you just use like a 40 vol on the hair. Use like an ash color, and then what this will do, it will lift the color up to 3 to 4 shades lighter, which is what we want to kind of do when we want to use an ash color so there's no brassy tones within her hair. So this is what we're going to do right now to Nafia's base of her hair. Yes, I do get it, usually use a high lift color, but at this instance, we forgot to pick it up and she desperately wants to get her hair done. So I'm just going to try it with this color and see how it goes. Just remember, you do a 1:2 ratio of the color and the developer as well. That's how much you mix. Okay, so I've mixed it now and I'm just going to apply it to Nafia's base. Okay, so this is how I've done the base color now. Just set it up to this length. And I've left the ends because I'm going to colour it obviously. It does look like it's lifting a little bit. The reason why I've used the ash colour and nothing light like a brown or anything else, I know that it will go quite orangey and brassy. So that's why I've used something that is green based, which is an ash colour. Okay. Now if you guys can see, there's no grays, okay? And you can see a gradual kind of brownness, and is now a nice ash color. There's no orangeness in it as well. This is the color that we really wanted to go to. She didn't want to go light, she just wanted to be lifted a little bit and cover her grays. So yeah, this is the base color now. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna lighten Nafia's hair, and I'm gonna be using the Guy Tang products. Now I'm using Magnum 8 with a 40 vol as well and the Big 9. These three mixed lifts the hair amazingly. So usually people do 2 applications of any bleaching products, but with this you only need to do 1 application. This is what I've experienced. These are amazing products and they've done wonders for my hair, so I know that it's going to be the best for Nafia's. Usually for my hair I use a little bit of Olaplex as well, just to save the damage from my hair, but at the moment we don't have any Olaplex. On this occasion we'll only be using these products, but next time definitely going to use the Olaplex. For extra precision you could use highlight foils. Usually if you're doing this on scalp I would use a 20 vol instead of the 40 vol. This is just my own experience, like I've said guys, when I've done my own hair. I'm going to mix the bleach with a 1:1 ratio and same 1 to 1.5 ratio with a Big 9. So that's what I'm doing right now. The powder itself smells so good. It's like a lavender kind of smell to it. I'm just going to mix this through now, and this is what it should look like. It smells so good, by the way. Okay, I've mixed this through and this is what it should look like. I'm gonna begin with doing the brown bits first, and then I will then go to the blonde bits, because then this will... So it's very difficult to explain like this, because I don't have a tripod or anything. I will get a tiny little section. My attempt. I'm the bootleg guy tank. Okay, it wasn't very funny. This is how light the hair has already gone. Look how amazing this lightener is. This how light it is gone already. It's amazing. Very nice. This is the color now, and we don't want this too white, and we don't want too much pigment taken out of it, because we're putting a demi color on top of it. So basically, if you want it bright blonde, then a silver, then you need to either re-bleach it again, or you need to just apply the bleach on top of it again. Huh? Yeah, hold up. Okay, so this is the balayage kind of thing that I tried out. I did it quite well this way. I think I overdid it a bit too much this way, but it's okay. I'm gonna put a demi color on top of it. So let me show you guys which one. Okay, so I'm gonna use this on the base and then these two on the end. So it's the 6N and the crystal clear on the ends and the 10N on the base. And remember, it's a demi because we just want to deposit the color and we don't want to lift it. Shut the hell up, Sumaya. Anyway, because I don't have any clips and I'm doing this at home again with these things, I'm just sectioning it like this as quick as I could and just quickly gonna do the base, and I'll show you guys what the base looks like when it's done. Remember, with the demi we use a 6 vol developer for the demi. Remember to use only 6 because we don't want to lift. Okay, this is mixed for the base. We are mixing the extra light blonde with the crystal clear Guy Tang one and 6V developer as well. Okay, so this is the finished result. Looks so beautiful. We might put a little bit extra blonde in it, but it isn't brassy. It looks good on the camera for some reason, but it isn't. Hi, Kate. This is done. Much better than the day before anyway.